Hey guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today, we will learn how to customize the links on your cart page on your Wix site. First, it's important for you to know that on your cart page, by default, there are actually three links: the continue browsing link, the enter a promo code link, and the add a note link. You can customize these links' texts and design, or remove the ones you don't need. Also, for the continue browsing link, you can edit the link you'd like your customers to be taken to once they click on it. So let's talk about how you can customize them one by one. Starting with how to customize the continue browser link. On the Wix editor, go to Pages and Menu, and under your store pages, go to the cart page. Click on your cart page element and then go to Settings. And on the Settings tab, go to Continue Browsing Link. If you enable it, you're going to have to set this up. So where does it link to? Click here. Indicate whether you want your customers to be taken to another page on your site, etc. So this will entirely be up to you. In my case, I'd like to take them to a certain page within my website, and that page would be my shop page, which I currently call the wall art printables page. So once you set that up, click on done, and then don't forget to click on save. All right, now let's talk about how you can customize the promo code and the add a note links on your site. So it's the same thing. You're going to have to go to your cart page, click on your cart page, and click on settings. Now go to the Settings tab. Here, you can choose whichever items you'd like to be displayed on your cart page. Simply tick the checkbox of the element you'd like to show on your cart page. If you want to hide the promo code and note elements, you can untick the checkbox and they'll be automatically removed, as you can see. But if you'd like to keep them and would also like to change their design, you're going to go to the Design tab on this small window. So this is where you can customize the background opacity and color, your background and borders dividers opacity and color, as well as for other settings here for your fonts and other elements within your cart page. So you can work on your texts design as well as your buttons design. If you would like to change the texts here, so go to text, and this is where you can edit your page title, the continue browsing link phrase, as well as all the other things related to your empty cart, full cart, etc. Once you're done, you can close this window and then click on Save to save your changes. And basically, that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.